Oh, it gets better and better the more I walk around. Okay, so here again, the luxurious life of a property photographer here, showing some of the examples that I have to go around and get professional marketing photos, floor plan, walkthrough, and they've gone to the effort of furnishing this one. So we've got our newly put in bed, bedside tables, nice little lamps, little chair. But my goodness, this place, what's bizarre is this is a place that's going up for sale because somebody's clearly been living in here. No electricity either. And they kept it like this. Ugh. Okay, so under the stairs. Okay, fully £50 in debt of electricity there, but just spectacular. Let's go through some stuff here. So we've got amazing peeling paint coming off all the doors. You can't actually open the door fully. It just hits off the bath. Again, peeling paint. What is growing up there? I don't quite know. Okay, but it looks like it's kind of been decorated. Maybe one of the walls is decorated. Ooh, no toilet lid and green. Not often I've seen green in the toilets. Hall, lots of little nails, so clearly fan of their pictures and stuff. Into the first room. Must have been the kids' room, but just at what point they thought, let's not bother repainting or sanding the door. All right, and what is going on with the ceiling in here? Pink. So unless it's like one of those things where you put little stars on your roof and, little glow-in-the-dark stars, but they've kind of kept them all around that area. And they've obviously had something on the roof. There's lots of blue tack marks. Yep. Okay, so blue tack marks. Lots of kids' little stickers going on here. Carpet. Love how it doesn't actually fit the room. Clearly, like, pink going on. Don't know what's happening here. Kind of blackness there, like there might have been damp going on in this one. I love how they've gone slightly different paint colour here. White, beige. Good. And then different tones going in there. But the kind of person that would be buying the property like this would be just buying it to do it up. They would gut this place completely, take out all the carpets, completely repaint it, put new doors on probably. But it's more just to show, it's like why would somebody live here and not fix that? Why would somebody live here and not clean their carpet? Like once in a while, get a carpet shampoo machine and do that. Just quite spectacular. Yeah, and does this camera show it? There's like white, beige going on. Interesting colours, lots of blue tack marks. Clearly a fan of this is just grimy. Weird. And then into the living room again. Spectacular there. Ooh, how all the doors are like this. Because it's clearly not actual paint you're meant to use on a door. Yeah. Ooh. What is this? It's like, ooh. Oh, we've got mould stuff growing in there. Nice. Nice. Great paintwork. Great damp. Love the electric storage heaters with their marks that leave up there. New carpet. Ish. Well, certainly in comparison. Good positioning of doors there. Oh, no door handle either. Handy. Old carpet. Could be just as old, but more disguising of the state of the carpet. So the furniture they put in, still put in some pretty skanky pillows. So they could always upgrade that. And then, what do they do? Throw gherkins on the ceiling. And then kitchen. I love flooring. Just been ripped apart. Just didn't bother replacing that at any point. And wow. So clearly leaks from other properties. Evidence of another leak there. Leak. Possibly a leak in a hole. Just look at the griminess of up there. Actual colours just, ooh. And nice sticky floor. So yeah, my job, make this place look great. Easy, no problems. But in the end, it comes down to the same rules as it is with any property that you go into. Make sure it's bright, make sure you've got the doors open, make sure you've got the camera straight. Make sure, I was going to say turn the lights on, but can't turn the lights on, so that's where we definitely need flash. But yeah, anybody trying to promote like Matterport, the 360 tour kind of things, it's not going to show this very well. But anyway, that's not what this kind of property is for. This property is for somebody that goes, brilliant, I could rent this out for £600-700 a month. Take out the carpets, repaint the whole place, a couple of new doors, make sure that the leak from upstairs is all fixed, and Bob's your uncle got £150,000 property, could sell it for £170,000 after a year's worth of work, or rent it out for £600-700 a month. Easy, done. So yeah, it doesn't actually matter how bad the property is. I've just got to make it look as big and as right as what it actually is. But yeah, just again, what happened there? Spectacular.